to today's property tour. Today we are in Jardines in the beach side of Elviria. We are only a few meters away from the beach and also only a few meters away from the shopping center of Elviria, where you have coffees, restaurants and also grocery stores. The urbanization itself has 3 very nice swimming pools. They're built inside of the development and very mature gardens. We will see today a 2-bedroom apartment with 2 bathrooms. It's a very nice apartment, very nicely furnished, and will be ideal for your holidays. So come on, let's see it! Thank you very much for watching today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed it very much. As you know, you can always contact us via email, via telephone. We will be happy to help you and to help you with bookings. See you soon!